Hello my beautiful and great friends, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video we'll be making a necklace. Remember, in my previous video I show how to make an interlocking, a beading interlocking in English and in Edo State. So you can use any of that method to do this interlocking, and then with this we will come back and make a necklace that you also see here. And if we have not made before, I am Meggy Omorigi, so please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done so that you can get all updates whenever I upload video. Ivye domenuwa, ivye domenuzomo, etsenikbia, etsenikwo. Why always say, ivye dewa so wawe subscribe me, no we unuwa e iwe uwa. Wanima ewe subscribe, wa consider no wawe subscribe runda akugbe or etin wawe se kakabo. So thank you very much and let's get to work. The material needed are spacer bead and hook to add to the coral beads. I'm going to show you a very simple way to making this necklace. Let's assume you don't know the amount of coral beads needed to complete this necklace. What will you do? I would say fix the hook at the end so that you can make the necessary adjustments that you need. So at the end you will not fix your hook. Just watch this video, it is very simple and you can be designing your necklace in no time.
Divine sorrow, I thank you for the joy that followed. Back then my friend, if I only knew.
For those of you who have requested for one tutorial or the other, be rest assured that I'm going to upload them in due time.
Nigeria, talk to me.
Would you like to send me your own design? You can do that by sending it to my Facebook page, Meggy Omorigi Culture and Fashion Creativity. Who knows, your picture may be one of the best pictures that I would like to shout out on my next tutorial here on YouTube. Before you could join my Facebook page though, you need to answer some questions and you will get approved before you could post anything.
Somali, Kenya,
my advice for the day is don't be scared to get creative. Yes, you may make many mistakes from the beginning, but don't give up. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.